Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on this and this. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, so I purchased this let's get right into it. I purchased this from Sally's. So there was a 40% off sale at Sally Beauty, and I've never tried this, but I heard rave reviews about it. I love their Do It For The Culture Bold Buttery Gel, as well as their Tropical Moringa Braid Out Glaze, and their Cheers Gelato. So leave a comment down below if you like those gels as well. And I heard that this one is the same. So these are 8-day curls. I legit need to wash my hair. That's the only reason why I have it in these two ponytails looking like a chap. However, the curls are still there. The moisture is still there, sis, bro. So first, let's talk a little bit about this product here. It is the Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Oil Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. Helps to support natural growth and retention. So the packaging states that it's incredibly rich, moisturizing and conditioning, lubricates strands, minimizes knots and tangles, nourishes dry, brittle hair from the inside out, and fortifies hair and improves elasticity. Helps to prevent and repair cuticle damage, restores hair's condition and delivers shine, makes hair feel soft and reduces frizz. Loaded with fatty acids, omega-3, 6, 9, helps to strengthen and moisturize hair, improves hair appearance and texture. So it did all of that. So what I did was last Friday I washed my hair. Last Thursday I washed my hair. Didn't feel like doing my hair. So I simply put this in my hair. This needs nothing to seal it in. Like, this doesn't need an oil to seal it in. It has Kalahari oil, Lester oil, Mangango oil, and Baobab oil. So it has oils in this. This does not need an oil to seal this leave-in or lotion in. Leave-in lotion in. I put this on, twisted my hair or braided my hair in like 4 sections, went to sleep. And I thought that I was going to have to wet my hair again, and obviously I did because I like to do my wash and goes on wet hair. But my hair felt so moisturized the day before I did my hair. It was amazing. Please leave a comment down below if you love this product as well. Like, for a leave-in, like I may say that this is my favorite leave-in. That's saying a lot. And it's a little on the top. It smells amazing. I love their deep conditioner. And yeah, it had great slip, smells amazing. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know. I love it though. I literally love this stuff, and I wasn't expecting it. I heard that it was great. I love their gels, but this Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote, it may do something. But look at my curls, and this is after like 8 days. And I'm only putting it up or doing things to it because I need to wash it, because I want to wash it. It's still moisturized. It shrunk because I take showers and let the steam, you know, get into my strands. But yes. Okay, moving along. So I put this throughout my entire head, and then I used this. So this is the Ancient Egyptian, the main choice. So we're talking about the main choice here. The main choice Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. It's infused with biotin and vitamin A, B, C, and D. It also has the Kalahari oil, Lester oil. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Mongongo oil and baobab oil. It says the 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel is a unique, innovative twisting gel that focuses on keeping your hair soft while delivering amazing definition, and I agree. It works. See how it's a little bit sticky. It's gold in color. And I guess I could this is 24 karat gold. So if I had to decide, I also use it for my edges, and I think that it's helpful because it has the tackiness to it to keep them laid, but not too much. So they lay it, these products lay my edges just the way that I like them. Also, you know, I like eco, but these are the only gels that really lay my edges and like makes my hair feel great. So these, the main choice, are my go-to for my perfect wash and go. So if I need a perfect wash and go, I'm just using the main choice, period. Like, no flaking. Other brands, they have flaking. This, no flaking with these gels. So if I had to put them on order, I need to make a whole video on gels, but if I had to put them on order, I would put this combo probably first. That's saying a lot. That's saying a lot. Like the Ancient Egyptian, this is like old school. Like, I love their deep conditioner. It has great slip. If you like twists or twist outs and wash and goes, I would get the Ancient Egyptian line. Like, I've tried their Heavenly Halo line. Like, I've tried most of their products, not the new stuff, but definitely the older things. But if I were to put their gels in order, it would be number one and number two, this and the Braid Out Glaze, not the Braid Out Glaze, this and the Bold Buttery Gel, the Do It For The Culture, are a tie for me. Like, I haven't tried the Do It For The Culture leave-in, so if I try that and it knocks it out of the water, that's fine. I have yet to try this by itself, so I've just paired it with this. So this and the Bold Buttery Gel tie. Then next, probably the Braid Out Glaze. It's really sticky though, so sometimes it's just kind of like I don't even want to deal with the stickiness of it. But it gave great moisture and hold for my hair. And then next, the Cheers Gelato. So last on the list, Cheers Gelato. So I'll do a video about my thoughts on everything. But yeah, so love this. 10 out of 10. I know I never say I give a 10, but this treated my hair wonderfully. This is a bomb wash and go combo. Do you see this? Do you see this? Like, I love it. I love how my hair feels. I love this combo. Who knew? Like, why did it take me until 2020 to try this combo? But it's bomb. Leave a comment down below if you've tried this combo before. Leave a comment down below if you love the Main Choice gels. You know, there's some that I don't care for, but majority I do. So shout out to the Main Choice for creating some products that actually work for my hair, for most of our hair. This thing is moisturizing. It has slip, gentle enough to use daily on all hair types. That says a lot. That says a lot. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. One question: have you subscribed yet, sis, bro? Have you subscribed to this channel? I'm going to wait while you do. I'll just be here sitting and waiting while you take the time to subscribe, sis. Click the bell notification, sis, bro. Have you seen my video on how to subscribe? How to subscribe, create a Gmail account, log into YouTube with your Gmail account, username and password, or your Gmail account, email and password, and it's easy, sis. It's easy, bro. So do that there. Do that there. And like my content, catch up on my content. I am so ecstatic about the growth that I've had over the last month. Thank you to everyone who has been rocking with me. I like this. I like this. I like this. I look like a kid. My sister told me the other day that I look like I'm like 12. I didn't even have this hairstyle, so. But I'm here for it. I'm thankful. Anyway, please be sure to subscribe, comment, like,